Despite there being 6 different models in the Elise range, there are only 2 engines to choose from. The basic Sport and Sprint Elises have a transversely mid-mounted 1.6-litre 4-cylinder engine that puts out a maximum of 134 bhp at 6,800 rpm and 118 pounds-feet of torque at 4,400 rpm. The rest of the range is catered by a 1.8-litre supercharged 4-cylinder. Like the 1.6, it's also a Toyota engine. The extra capacity plus forced induction gives the Sport 220 and Sprint 220 an extra 83 bhp, with max power of 217 bhp at 6,800 rpm, and max torque of 184 pounds-feet at 4,600 rpm. The same 1.8 is used in the Cup 250 and Cup 260. Confusingly, it's the engine in the Cup 260 and not the one in the 250 that puts out 250 bhp. That's complemented with 195 pounds-feet at 5,500 rpm. The Cup 250 seconds motor only produces 243 bhp at 7,200 rpm and 184 pounds-feet between 3,500 and 5,500 rpm. All Elises use the same 6-speed manual gearbox with a beautiful exposed linkage.